Hi, Duncan, Newman here. Why Milgard Windows? I'll give you a few reasons why they're our preferred partner. And we've been doing business with them for 29 years. Fantastic company, clearly the best products, best people, from the receptionist to the inside salespeople to the outside salespeople, the delivery drivers, the management, the corporate office. All of them have been a pleasure to work with for the last 29 years. They stand behind their product like nobody else, and that's why we use them. Lifetime guarantee to the original homeowner, no questions asked. It just makes our life so much easier to know that when we sell a product, that customer has total peace of mind for the rest of the life of their windows in their home. We love it, the customers love it, and it's a really, really great combination. For more information, check out our blog.